Guys, it's the Random Gamer here, and today I'm back in Unturned, zombie apocalypse world. And guess what? The gun that was here is gone. It's sad. But anyways, I've got some other guns, so we don't have to worry. Last time I came here in this Scorpion 7 base, and then there are more zombies for me to kill. And some vitamins. Instant kill. Let's see if there's anything upstairs. Nope, just some boring stuff. Just some boxes here. Now let's go downstairs. Now we all know why the zombie apocalypse started. Just look at that thing. Isn't that obviously the zombie? Exactly. Well, since we visited this base, look at me. Let's get out of here. My face, stupid thing. Now I have to do the long journey back. This is a kitchen knife. Yeah, okay, well this is a military knife. Sadly, there's no car because the only vehicles are all buried. I'm gonna have to walk. Let me just upgrade some stuff. So basically, yeah, last time I think I explained this, but you can upgrade some stuff, some mana. I mean, experience that you get from killing zombies and people. So anyways, let's walk back to Everett and let's see if there's a vehicle. So I need to get to a vehicle. By the way, you can cut down these trees and you can make buildings. You can build your own house and stuff. And you can like add barricades. There's a lot of items in this game. Is there anything I can... Nope, nothing I can attach. It's really cool, this weapon system, because you can basically attach anything to the gun. Now let me just stab him. The post office. Here's some rope. Here's some glue and don't try this at home. I'm not feeling weird. Are you feeling weird? I just want to keep drinking glue. Yeah, you can drink glue. Funny thing is, the game just inverted all my... Oh, there we go, back to normal. Let's see what happens. The guns have safety and burst. Is that like this their zombie funeral? Sorry to interrupt your funeral, guys, but I want to kill all of you. Gun it. This isn't Eagle Fire. So if I take this other Eagle Fire, and if I grab the munition and drop it and get this other one, now I have some extra. Got him. It's a delayed response, but see if there's anything interesting here. There's not even a vehicle in sight. Let's see, where can I go? There's a farm there. Maybe I should go to the farm. I just want to drive something because it's gonna take a long time to get there. Dead. Here's some binoculars. Oops. Yeah, I kind of need pants as well. The botanist. Who keeps the Eagle Fire as in your house? It's a flare. Take a long time, but there is another stop, like some dock. Here's me, by the way. Wait. Oh yeah, and if you press Q and E, you can kind of like turn. Although it seems useless sometimes. Let's say there's like another player, because yes, there's PvP in this game, but I'm in single player. But let's say there's a dude over there. You're here with the gun. You can like turn like this to make him so it's harder for him to shoot you a little bit. What's this? Some bricks. Where does this go to? It doesn't go anywhere. It's just like some wrong road. Let's check the farm. Farms always have interesting things. They can have shotguns, crossbows, bows, and arrows. And pants. I really need pants. Yeah. Stealthy style. Ow. Like, here's a sports shot. Chambered in, I can't. It's a rifle. Yeah, sports shop ammunition. That's tomato seeds. You can, like, plant them. Hey. Hey, you idiot. Get out of here, you stupid. Yeah, there's a compound bow. Oh, guess what Ah, Jesus! I'm trying to celebrate. Chewing machine of death. Yeah, great. Well, that's good. See this bow if it's worth it. If it lets me equip. Whatever, I don't need a bow. Here's a planter. You can plant plants. Just plant in the middle of here. Then you plant. Then you grab fertilizer. Then you grab it and then you eat. Here's a hat. Yeah. My gun's clipping through the hat. Great. Who wants to die? No pants here. Vroom. Well, I'm glad I came here to this town. Looks like there's something in the middle of the water, like a submarine, maybe. I'll just cut down a tree. That was quick. Yeah, it's not the best physics for trees, but yeah, you get a lot of stuff. Isn't anything in the water? Maybe. What if there is? Okay, yeah. Now let's go back to the Everett and kill everyone. Mohahaha. So I'll be back when I arrive there. Hey guys, I'm here back in Everett, and now let's begin by killing this zombie. But first, let me just inspect my weapon for no reason with F. Now it's time to die! Didn't know what hit him. It's a book. I need pants, man. There's no pants. Can you not have pants in your stupid house? I'm coming. Come at me. Yeah. 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 Oh, and my reward, glow. Don't do this, I don't kids. Now I'm in like a dark corridor. Look at all these dead chefs. All I want to do is cut some woods. And I just got an achievement for camping. I'm not going camping. I just cut a tree in the middle of the road. What was that? It's a gun. Oh, it's that same gun. Anyways, back to killing. Yeah. Come at me, you coward zombies. There's a lot of them here. Ow. Ah. That is a lot of blood. It was... If the police come, I'm just gonna say it was like, yeah, self-defense. Yeah, they attacked me. Ow. Don't hit me in the face, you dumb animal. Nothing can stop me now that I have more glue. And still no pants. Oh, don't worry, you don't really lose health. Just come all weird. There's also berries and they drug you. Is that pants? Yes. Some pants, finally. Just drink some more glue. Back in the lonely corridor. Except now it inverted my mouse clicking, so I have to right click to use the weapon. Funny thing, if I shoot a gun, zombies will come, but if I just use a chainsaw, they don't come. Just a reminder, don't drink glue. It's very bad for you. I think. I haven't drinking glue, but I'm not gonna do that. Apparently, yeah, in this game, there's also, like, money, like, here in these things. They do nothing, though. And there's no guns. No guns for me. Well, guys, that was today's video about me and Unturned with this chainsaw of death. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And goodbye. That was a horrible waving. There we go. Goodbye.